Pepe, you're going to have Christmas dinner. You're going to have Christmas dinner. Dinner. Cooked it. There's her dinner. She's got roast chicken. There's a little tiny bit of mashed potato. And you've got 2 roast potatoes. Veg. Okay? Yeah, special dinner. Right, listen. Let's not get this all over the place. Put your bib on. Can you sit that big? That's it. Oh, hold on. Right, here's your dinner. Whoa, dinner. Christmas dinner. Don't eat all the chicken. Oh, I better mix it. Okay, hold on. Let me mix it because you're going to eat all the chicken. I'll mix it up. Whoa, chicken dinner. There we go. You sit that, Biggs? She's not really allowed potatoes. Are you? But since it's Christmas, you can have it. Christmas dinner. It is not easy to do anything with her and film it. Because anything with her requires 2 hands. Maybe 3 or 4. Oh. Christmas dinner. Oof. Is that good? What a mucky pup. Now you know why she has to have a bib. Is that good? Is that good dinner? Christmas dinner? Fergus is over at Granny's. I have to go in a little while and pick up Fergie. I've been over there all day. And I'm really tired. But I wanted to make sure Rain got her Christmas dinner. You're just basically laying in your bowl at this point, honey. Oh, can I see? Wanted to make sure that Rainy got her Christmas dinner. Yeah. I was going to make her a stocking, but I didn't have time. I haven't had time. I can hardly keep up as it is. But, right now you're just laying in your bowl, honey. There's her, her wheelchair with the front extension. So normally I'll lift her and put her in that, but, yeah, it's, let's just say it's not an easy feat. Oh, sweet. Oh, sweet. Well done. Was that a nice dinner? Rain's got a blanket over her butt because she is in season. Cranky pants. Cranky old Rainy Pie. Huh? She says, I'm not cranky. I'm not cranky. Hey, darling. Right, listen, don't chew your paws. Ah, sweetie pie. Oh, ow, ow, ow. Ow. See if I can let you see her. Ow. Hey, Winnie. Was that good? Was that good? Oh, darling. Put your heady on that. Hey, sweetie. Oh. Hey, sweetie. There you go. Right, don't lick your paw, please. Put your sockies on. Oh, put your sockies on. Yeah, hey, darling. Merry Christmas, my darling. Can I have a kiss? Mm-hmm. What a good girl. Was that nice? I shouldn't have given you potatoes because you know it makes your skin go all bad, but it's a special treat. Special treat. Because you're so good. Toya's having her Christmas dinner. She's quiet. Don't chew your paw, please. We'll put your sockies on, okay? Oh, what a good girl. Yeah, she's got this over because she's in season. Yep. She's laying on a special cushion. It's all gone. It's empty. You ate it all. It's all gone. It's all gone. Are you thirsty? Let me get you some water. Listen, leave your paw, please. No, Rain. Put your sockies on. Get you all sorted out. All right, I'll get you all sorted out. Right, are you going to say Merry Christmas? Merry Christmas. You ate it all. It's all gone. It's all gone. All gone. Oh, it's a sweetie. Oh, it's a sweetie. All right, let me get her sorted out. Say Merry Christmas. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing me. And I see you on the next one. Bye for now. Love, Rainy.